Hey everybody, all too often we get caught up, stuck within the rules of a system or an implement. And sometimes those rules are too restrictive, and then when somebody says something outside of that box, it's all like, oh no, that's unsafe, or that's not necessary, or it's too risky, whether it's for an athlete or gen population. But what if we just need to have an expanded rule book, right? Of things that make sense, so we're not just chucking exercises at people, we're preparing them for them, and maybe these sort of crazy rules actually have more real life takeaways. So for example, if I have somebody working on a nice deadlift with the ultimate sandbag, I can then add force and turn that into a high pull. Now, if I go into a sprinter stance, right, where heel is elevated, why can't I just take that step? It's a step forward, but a step back. Where now I'm going to work on their deadlift, creating control from that position, nice and controlled. Build proficiency, and add the high pull there. Build proficiency there. So with the kettlebell, why wouldn't the same thing apply to the kettlebell? Right? You got to start thinking outside of your rules of what might have gone down at the cert. Deadlift, swing, build proficiency, deadlift, swing. And down. Why would that be any less safe or less legit? Because let's face it, folks, gen pop or athlete, we are rarely doing anything with our families or our sports with our feet locked bilateral. So come take the DVRT workshop, and if anything, it might just give you some ideas to expand your capabilities, because that's what education's supposed to be. It's not about the initials, it's about the education.